We are going to simulate a skip button and a right-click button. Start by adding a Stop Video action from the left panel. Enable interactivity in the video effect and let it continue once the button is pressed. We can now focus on customizing the skip button. Select the text area in the timeline and set it as a video marker. Interactivity can be added by choosing the Go to Marker action. You can now save and export the video. The video stopped as expected. The skip button is also working. Thank you for watching our short tutorial on interactivity.